Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is actually going to be 2 hours from a previous day to start out with. We thought there was a long enough break in the wind today to get the rest of the roof metal on, but the wind kicked up about halfway through and it doesn't take much wind to make for a pretty wild time with 27-foot sheets of tin. So for safety's sake, we called it a day early about halfway through. This is the start of the next day. It's pretty windy right now, but the forecast shows a couple-hour window this afternoon where we should be able to finish out the roofing. While we wait on the wind, I'm going to finish the wall framing on the gable end, continue our goofy girt style change from the last video to tie onto the barn door post, finish out this bay on the east wall, and then figure out what our stall door layout is going to look like. We caught a lucky break long enough to get the rest of the roofing on and 3 more bays framed. We're going to do 2 stall doors in this middle bay. They'll be 42 wide and 7 foot tall sliding barn doors. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video to finish the framing on the last bay. It's going to be a little more time consuming. We're going to have to do the same thing we did on the other corner. Remove the corner trims and cut the siding back so we can expose and tie onto the original post. It's also going to have a 36-inch wide entry door. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment below.